Guys, we are making Cadillac cut baby back ribs, or otherwise known as Hollywood cut. And since I'm in SoCal, you know I'm gonna do the Hollywood cut. You know that's going first on the title, because you know I'm on Hollywood, of course. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get alerts on all the good stuff we're doing here. All right, collaboration with a bunch of fine young men. I'm gonna flash over to everybody who's in on this collaboration. All right, so you hit that hashtag and it'll take you to all their rib cooks, okay? Freedom, all right? So this is what it's called. It's hashtag Freedom Ribs Collaboration, all right? So freedom means to me a lot of things. It means, you know, we can do what we want. I put the definition like right here, all right? But we can do what we want, when we want, how we want. So today I am doing Hollywood cut ribs because I want big old meaty smoked baby back ribs, all right? And I have the freedom to do that. And I also have the freedom to procrastinate, and I should have done these ribs a little earlier today, but me and Miss CJ got watching the movie, and so I'm gonna be doing this out here while it's raining and cold. And yes, it's cold in Southern California. Like, whew, you can see my breath. It is freaking cold and it's raining. All right, so it is what it is. You know, we just deal with it. All right, let's get over here. I'm gonna show you how we set up these ribs, how we cut them up, how we make them nice and good, and then we got them seasoned up. They've been sitting for a while. We got my pit barrel cooker going, and we're gonna do the dang thing. All right, guys, we're gonna go over what's called here the Hollywood cut or the Cadillac cut. See, what you have here is you're gonna cut it so there's both sides of the bone that has the meat, so all the way down. So you'll have one bone without any meat and one bone with double the two sides of the meat. I'll do a couple, show you how it's done. We're cutting the first bone out. Put that to the side, and you can see that the meat ends on this bone right here. So you got full meat right there, full meat right there, and then we'll cut along this bone right here. Just run your knife through the meat along that bone right there. All right, so you got one big luscious rib. Okay, do one more for you. Take you down the side of this bone right here. So you just got a bone right there. You got some meat on the top there. This meat right here, which I'll trim off and cook separately. But again, we want big cuts of meat on these Freedom ribs. All right, plenty of meat. Come on back and we'll get these bad boys seasoned up. All right, guys, we're all chopped up. Now we're gonna season up. All right, we got some heavy made products. Texas beef rub from America. We got a little amazing Cajun. We're gonna use both on this. Do this with trying to make the least amount of mess as possible. So the good thing about this Hollywood cut and this Cadillac cut, whatever you want to call it, is you season all sides of the ribs, even the meat on the inside. And we're gonna smoke these all the way through and just glaze them on the pit barrel. We're not gonna braise these and wrap them. We're just gonna smoke them. Smoke them till they're done. We're gonna glaze them up with some nice Jim Beam barbecue sauce, because we use those Jim Beam smoking wood chunks in the pit barrel. It's gonna be awesome. All right, I'm gonna finish up this and we'll be out on the pit barrel. Come on back. Thanks. So make sure you again hit that hashtag and you see what everybody does. But don't do it till you're done with my video, all right? These ribs are gonna be spectacular, be awesome, gonna love it. I'm using Jim Beam wood barrel chips from the oak barrels that they use to distill their whiskey. And you know I'm a big fan of whiskey. I'm just gonna smoke these. I am not gonna braise them. I'm not gonna wrap them up. I'm not gonna put the butter and the apple juice, all that stuff. We are just gonna smoke these till they're about 200 degrees. And then I'm gonna glaze them up with some Jim Beam smoky barbecue sauce. We're going all Jim Beam all day. And I might take a shot of Jim Beam on the way out, all right? So come on back and we'll get on that pit barrel. All right, guys. Once again, it's raining out here. But these are looking pretty good. We're about an hour in. All right, guys. We're losing a little bit of light out here because, like I said, I procrastinated, but that was my right. So we're gonna get these out real quick. I think we're going about 165, 170 in there. 185. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. 190. A little smoky. But I want to get these sauced up. The glaze start working on these bad boys. I just got here a little Jim Beam barbecue sauce, a little smoky barbecue sauce. Get these glazed up real nice. Got another half hour or so on this cook, I think, and we'll be good to go. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We finally got these ribs off the pit barrel cooker. They turned out awesome. They look awesome. Obviously, you kicked that thumbnail to get here, so you know they're gonna be awesome. Listen, guys, hit that hashtag below. You'll know what we're talking about with these Freedom Ribs. It's gonna be awesome. I'm enjoying this. I'm using awesome a lot tonight, which is okay because freedom means you can say awesome as much as you want. All right. So let's take a bite of one of these bad boys. See how they turned out. They were smoked over the Jim Beam oak barrel chips in the pit barrel cooker for about 4 hours. Got a little Jim Beam barbecue sauce that we put over the top. It's good to go. Oh my God, these are good. Got a bit of a chew to it too because we didn't braise them, but that's all right. That barbecue sauce got a little zing in there. Perfect smoke green. You're doing good things here. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. I appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care. All right, let it out.
I want to see every kid awesome.